इंटरनेशनल हेल्थ आयुर्वेदिक एक्सपो है। इन्होंने लोकल गोवन के लिए फ्री स्टॉल दिया, सबसे अच्छा तो वो गवर्नमेंट का अच्छा काम रहा। उसके बाद जो भी कोऑपरेशन है, फूड है और जो भी एसेसरीज लगती है, फैसिलिटीज सब एक्सपो ने दिया है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। हमारे पास ये आयुर्वेदिक खादी प्रोडक्ट हैं, फिर हर्बल प्रोडक्ट हैं, तो वो सब स्किन केयर, हेयर केयर, बॉडी केयर वो सब यूज होते हैं।
ओके, और क्या मतलब देखने गए तो आजकल बहुत स्किन केयर लोग यूज़ करते हैं। आपका आयुर्वेदिक कैसे क्या लोगों को?
हाँ, इसमें जो केमिकल्स है वो बहुत नॉमिनल है, हार्मफुल केमिकल नहीं है। नहीं, आज की डेट में कॉस्मेटिक में बहुत सारा केमिकल का यूज होता है और ऐसे ऐसे कमिट करते हैं कि 24 आवर में ये हो जाएगा, फेयर हो जाएगा, वो सब रॉन्ग है। तो जेन्यून जो आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट हैं वो थोड़ा स्लो स्लो लेकिन रिजल्ट आता है।
क्या क्या है आपके आयुर्वेदिक?
खादी प्रोडक्ट हैं, फिर हर्बल प्रोडक्ट में जो विश है, इधर प्योर रूट करके ब्रांड है, ये सब हैं प्रोडक्ट और लोग सेल भी हो रहा है, परचेज कर रहे हैं, रिस्पांस अच्छा है।
I am Rakesh Kumar Shenoy. I am representing Heartfulness Institute. We promote heart-based meditation, and through this expo we got this stall, and more than 250 people have attained that relaxation practice, how it can be done, and each and everyone's positive response and meditation is what they want to go next, is what come forward from that. And with this expo we managed to let people know that Heartfulness Foundation exists and free meditation is available. 160 countries we are providing free meditation teaching without any cost. A heartfulness thank you to all.
हम नागार्जुन आयुर्वेद से, ये केरला बेस्ड कंपनी है और हमको इधर स्टॉल में स्नेहा भागवत मैडम ने रेकमेंड किया आने के लिए और हमने आया। हमको अच्छा लीड्स मिला है और हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स, हमारा पास क्लासिकल प्रोडक्ट्स है और एथिकल प्रोडक्ट्स है और ओटीसी में सोप वगैरह है और इधर फुटफॉल भी अच्छा हुआ है।
तो आपके क्या प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में क्या बताना चाहोगे? कैसे आयुर्वेदिक मतलब कैसे?
आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स हमारा केरला में उधर ही प्रोडक्शन होता है और हमारा टॉप कंपनीज में एक है।
क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं?
हमारा कषायस, घृतस और कषाय टैबलेट, उसके बाद एथिकल में टैबलेट्स भी है, पेन ऑयल्स है।
ये एक्सपो कैसे हेल्पफुल कर सकते हैं लोगों को, आप लोगों को, जो कॉमन लोग आते हैं उन्हें?
लोगों को मतलब जो जनरल फुटफॉल है उसको और भी अच्छा तरह से एक्सप्लेन भी किया है, उनको भी आयुर्वेद के बारे में थोड़ा और भी अच्छा होप्स आया है और हमको डॉक्टर लोग भी बहुत सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं इधर गोवा में।
My name is Zainab and he's my husband Mosam Naiman. So we have recently started our new brand that is Nature Gut, under which we have our four main products. That is this A2 Gir Cow ghee, which is made from the pure A2 Gir Cow milk, and it is done with the Bologna process, which was the ancient process, and our cows are free grazed. Our next product is the A2 Buffalo ghee, which itself has its advantages of somebody who wants to increase like good weight, healthy weight, for reproductive health in females, and also for deep frying purposes you can substitute your oil with buffalo ghee. Next is the organic jaggery powder, which can be used as a substitute for any refined sugar products, and the flavored jaggery cubes, they are there, you can use it as a healthier dessert snacking option. Our main product is the A2 Gir Cow ghee. So nowadays, as people are getting more aware and health conscious, A2 Gir Cow ghee is anytime the best choice that you can make for any ghee consumption that you want. It is rich in vitamins, it is rich in omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acids, which helps you improving your brain function, heart health, for bones, and it is rich in antioxidants. It can also be used as topical application for your skin and everything. So basically we have come in this expo so that we can increase the awareness about our products, especially the A2 cow ghee. We can increase the awareness among people, and this expo has helped us reach out to many people and also make many people aware about this product who were not having so much knowledge about it. So basically, why will you choose Nature Gut? One of the main reason is all our products are preservatives free, additives free, chemical free, and the processing which is used especially for the A2 Gir Cow ghee is the old ancient Bologna process. So all the benefits that you get from this ghee is only majorly from the source of the milk, that is the Gir Cow milk, and next is the process from which it is made that helps you gain all the benefits of the product. All products of Nature Gut are all preservatives free, chemical free, all natural, no additives. So in all forms it is great for your health.
Hello, I am Satyadev Tiwari, founder of Valsante Functional Foods and Nutraceuticals Private Limited. And we have been really very happy to be here at this first edition of India International Ayurveda and Wellness Expo and Summit 2026 at Goa. I think this is the third day today and it has been a fabulous experience meeting a lot of experts here, attending a lot of sessions from delegates like Acharya Balakrishnan ji. I just met Dr. Khadir Wali today. And basically it resonates so much that our products that we are doing today at Valsante, along with this, the concept of Ayurvedic wellness actually, which is bringing tradition back into the mainstream. And I am really happy to show you around what we are doing today. So we have this entire range of, you can see here, Valsante is actually re-engineering the ancient wisdom and we are actually taking these potent oils now into an intelligent delivery, like moving it beyond tradition into precision, right? You can see here, Valsante actually means full health, full life. And we have done a fabulous work in terms of encapsulating the functional oils into this plant-based capsule. So we have a range of like black seed oil, pumpkin seed oil, hing oil capsule, all oils in capsule, huh? And turmeric, ginger, garlic oil, turmeric oil. And besides that, we are also having this well-known brand, which is the largest prescribed algal calcium in India, which is Calgal. Then we also have like similar this vitamin C and zinc. We are supporting a lot of TB patients as well with this product. And we have got this beetroot extract, the iron supplement, again Ferrobliss plant-wise. And of course, I think I'd love to show you the country's largest protein content Volpro protein bar. So do enjoy your food and supplements which are plant-based. And I think the people will really like to take them and be healthy and happy. And I wish all the audience really good health.
So namaste everyone. So my name is Raj Shekhar from Sahasrayam Health Sciences Private Limited. So I want to say greetings to everyone. So happy Republic Day. So regarding to this company, Ayurvedic Sahasrayam Health Sciences Private Limited, Hyderabad-based company, started by Dr. P. Satish Chandra and Dr. Sravanti Madam. They started this company 10 years back. Sahasrayam, all our doctors, Ayurvedic doctors came to know this is a grand name, hai, Sahasrayam. Sahasrayam is manufacturing classical and patent products, which are own research laboratory in Hyderabad. Research product almost more than 40 products, and apart from classical products in classical, we are manufacturing Guti, Vati, Gugulu, and Grutakalpa, and Swarnakalpa, Chornams, and single drugs, single herbs. All these classical drugs we are all manufacturing with world-class GMP certified practices. And we are also manufacturing, we have our own soft gel capsule encapsulation machine. Based on that, we are manufacturing 35 types of thylums and grutams in a soft gel capsules, like Google Tikta Grutam, Indukanta Grutam, Sarvamayanta Grutam, Mahanarayana Thailam, and recently we launched a product called Sindhuvara Eranda Thailam in soft gel capsules. And Hingutrigana Thailam, these type of thylums and grutams. To meet the regular dosage, thylums and grutams, we Satish sir, our MD sir converted as in Avarti, Saptavarti and 21 Avarti according to the dosage. And next month we are going to launch a new product called Vibha Yoga. It's a Kunkumada Thailam and capsule, Applicap in capsule form. So this is also external application. And on one more product, new product we are launching, True Look Face Cream. So these are all products available in company, and company based at Hyderabad in Karakapatla area, having a 1,25,000 of square feet of manufacturing facility, and this building looks like this outer look. And also this is only for company, one of the best company having a own extract machine. We are only we are supplying to so many companies, and we are doing third party manufacturing facilities also in this company. So facilities are available in Ayurveda and Siddha and Unani. Yes, regarding this expo, this is a Ayurveda wellness and awareness program, really useful to everyone. Mostly Goa and surrounding doctors, Ayurveda practitioners and students have visited our stall and known what are the developments going on in Ayurveda and wellness, how it we taken care in our profession. Like that, so many knowledge, so many stalls are started, and the 3 days. These 3 days, entire event was went on well, and facilities and service, the everything is monitored by organized very well. Thank you.
My name is Siddhi Bhatt and I am from Goa College of Physiotherapy, Sakli. This is our stall regarding physiotherapy. We have our OPD based in Sakli near PHC, and we also have our college in Harwal M. So we are the students who are studying currently in second year, and these are faculty members who are posted there. In our stall, we have all our therapeutic modalities which we use to treat a particular condition which the patient has. For example, we use electrical modalities like laser, IFT, TENS, just in case to decrease the pain perception of the patients. We also use different kinds of therapeutic gymnasiums like dumbbells, resistance band, then resistance weight cuffs, and we also give self-resisted exercises which the patient can do at their own home. We also have different types of gymnasium such as wobble board, Swiss ball, which can help the patient to strengthen their core muscles or different kinds of muscles which we want to target in the patient. Okay, so this expo basically many people didn't knew that we have a college and we also have our OPD based in Sakli. So this expo made people realize that there is something about physiotherapy which people can like come and do for their day-to-day conditions such as back pain, knee pain or neck pain or shoulder pain, so that they can come and they can get healed by our this thing OPD. So it was a great exposure that people got to know about our stall and our college and our OPD also.